After your project is set up, many different types of changes are still possible. Let's take our example project and make some changes. Let's combine the restroom zone and the hall zone into one. First, let's go ahead and rename one of the zones. Select the zone menu and then select Rename Zone. Enter the new name and press Save. Then expand the hall zone, open the Lights menu, and select Move to another zone. Select the newly renamed zone and the light will be moved. Do the same with the second light. Now empty, the old zone will automatically be deleted and all lights are in the new combined zone.